Mazurka in G minor by Fryderyk Chopin. Bars 17, 18, 19, and 20. First we're going to do right hand, then we'll do left hand, and then we'll put the hands together. Right now we're going to focus on right hand letter names and finger numbers only. Don't worry about the rhythms. We'll get the rhythms in a moment. So we start with the right hand 4 on the C as the grace note. Grace note going to the G. While you're holding the G down, switch to the third finger. Slide in just a little bit so that you can get that thumb on the E flat. Harmonic fourth, keep holding that thumb down and slide the thumb to the D while the right hand plays the B flat. Pick up the hand, put 5 on the D. Then we do it again. 4 for the grace note, 1 going to the G. While you're holding the G, switch to the third finger. Slide in just a little bit so that the thumb can play the E flat as a harmonic fourth. Keep holding that E flat while the right hand top notes step down in the triplet. Slide the thumb to the D while the right hand plays the B flat. So let's look at that again. That's bars 17, 18, 19, and 20. And it comes back and it does that again, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So let's start with that fourth finger on the C, grace note. While you're holding the thumb on the G, switch to 3 on the G. Slide in, harmonic fourth. Hold the thumb, stepping that top note down in the triplet. Slide the thumb. Pick up the hand, 5 goes on the D. Grace note C, thumb G. Switch to the third finger on the G, slide in a little bit. E flat with the A, keep holding the E flat with the thumb. Let's try that now in good time, but very slowly. I count 1 and 2 and 3 and ready, here we go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and strawberry pie. Lift up, pie, and 1 and 2 and 3 and strawberry pie. One more time, a little quicker. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Strawberry pie. Lift, pie. 1, 2, 3. Strawberry pie. Let's try that one more time. Same speed. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Strawberry pie. Lift, pie. 1, 2, 3. Strawberry pie. Now let's see what happens with the left hand. We start with the left hand. Now it's up to you if you'd like to try and do the pedal. I don't advise it, but let's do just the notes. Don't worry about any of the rhythms. So that fifth finger is going to start with the F. Pick it up so that the 5 goes on the octave above. I would use 2 on the B flat. And the same 3-note chord. And then we've got this harmonic fifth, but you've got to hold the 5. Play the 2 with the B flat. Switch to the 1 just like we did in the right hand, and then B flat octave. Pick up 5 on the F. Whole hand pick up an octave. Same 3-note chord. Harmonic fifth. Top note is a triplet. Play the B flat with 2. Switch 1 octave. Now some students may choose to do from the triplet and squeeze the 1 over immediately to the B flat. You have that option to do that. There's no wrong way of doing that, really. If it feels better to do this and just squeeze ease the one onto it, that's fine. As long as you could try to keep it as smoothly connected as possible. So let's see if we can do it in good time. 1, 2, 3, ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, strawberry pie, pie, lift, pie, 2, 3, strawberry pie, pie. The first time I did it, I put the 1 immediately. The second time I did it, I did a finger switch. A very subtle thing, whichever fits your hand better. This time I'm going to put the pedal with it. I count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, strawberry pie, pie. 1, 2, 3, strawberry pie, pie. Now I'm going to go much slower. I'm going to try and put both hands together. I'm going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, strawberry pie, lift, 5s, 1, 2, and 3, and strawberry pie, and then it connects to the next bar. So let's try that one more time. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, and strawberry pie, lift, and we 1 and 2 and 3 and strawberry pie, and then we have the next section. One more time, a little bit quicker this time. 1 and 2 and 3 and ready, here we go. 1 and 2, oops, I'll try that again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and strawberry pie, and 1 and 2 and 3 and strawberry pie. Now I didn't do the pedal right that time, so I'm going to do it one more time. I'm not going to count out loud this time though. 1 and 2 and 3 and let's try it one more time. Ready? Here we go. A little bit quicker this time. 1, 2, 3, ready, here we go. And again, a little quicker. 1, 2, 3, ready, here we go.